Hi all, good evening. This is Prince here. Once again, I'm back with my new topic at a very new place, and this place belongs to Mirwa restaurant, which is available, which is there in Shere Punjab Andheri. So you guys can visit here and have a delicious food over here. You can take our name also, and you will get discount on your food. So let's start with the video. The topic is peace. In our daily life, routine life, we have understood about the peace, what it is exactly. For example, if we'll try to understand what we have understood till today is peace means if we have completed or if we have achieved something in our life without any hurdle or without any difficult situation or difficulties, then we can say or we are saying that we have completed this task and we have done this project very peacefully. Whereas I believe, the exact meaning and the literal meaning of peace, it is something different from what we have understood till today in our life. Peace means it should be there in our life for a long period of time or till our last breath. Whereas what we have understood in our life, that peace for a specific time period or for a specific situation or a task. So now we'll come to the spelling of peace. The spelling of peace is P-E-A-C-E. So every word defined and says something about the peace. The first word is P. P stands for present. So if we want to be a peaceful person, we have to think about our present, what we are doing, how we are doing. That's all. What we are going to doing and what will be the impact, what will be the result of it, that is not in our hand. If we are thinking about future and continuously we are falling into the future, so it means somewhere and somehow we are spoiling our present life situation. Simultaneously, we don't have to pressure, we don't have to think about our past life. Whatever happens, it happens. We can't go back and get it correct, right? So try to be in a present life, what we are doing, that is enough. And through our present life only, we can make our future and past perfect. Second word in peace is E. Expectation. Don't expect from anyone. Let come whatever is coming, let other person to do what they are doing. Do what you are supposed to. Perform your duties and responsibility towards what you are supposed to. That's all. Don't expect. Do whatever you can do, whatever best you can do. For example, if we are sitting for an examination, we can do our study best. We can do our hard work for our examination, but we can't think, we can't ask for 100%, 98%. It is totally in the hands of examiner. We can't do anything with them, right? So don't expect. Whatever we are doing, whatever I am doing, that is in present and I am not expecting anything from anyone. The third word in peace is acceptance. Accept the situation the way it is. Do not force, do not try to manipulate or change it. Because if you are accepting the things the way or the person the way he or she is, it will be easy for us only to tackle with them or to handle that situation or a person. If you will try to change the situation or a person, then it will require lots of energy and understanding or a negative thinking, which is not required if we want to be a peaceful person or we want to live in a peaceful situation. So accept the way it is. The next word in peace is C. Correct? C means what? Changes. Changes, it is something which will happen, which will take place in our life till our last breath. If you are saying, if you are denying from any changes, that will not work. Whatever age we have, whatever days we have, whatever life we have completed till today, we have seen lots of changes. In lots of changes, we have converted ourselves, we have accepted some changes, we have not accepted. Wherever we have accepted some changes, we have come out or we have seen something which is we had not seen, right? So accept the changes, that's all. Changes is always and changes will be there in our life and it will be for our own benefit. We can't say that changes is there, it will be harmful for me. No, changes will not be harmful, changes is not harmful. It is for our benefit, our acceptance, our successful life, nothing else. The last one is E, the very important part of peace, evaluation. Evaluate yourself, what you are today what you were today and what you want to be in your future. So do right now whatever you want to be in your future. The second meaning, full form of E is eternal. Peace should be for your lifetime, long life, not for a particular situation or a phase or a person. It should be a long life. If we are thinking, we are planning for a something in a situation, or we are planning for a person with whom we can survive, with whom we can have a peaceful life, so it will be for a situation basis or for a particular time period. Whereas if we will concentrate for eternal, for a long life, peaceful, peace in our life for a long time period, then we can change and we can achieve it. So I hope that you will understand, and you must have understood it, that what is the meaning of the peace and how we can take it into our life and how we can take it for a long period of time. So please understand, whatever peace we are talking in current situation, that is a situational basis or a condition basis. That is not for a long time period. So if you want to be a peaceful for a long period of time, do accept, stop expecting, be in present, accept the changes, and evaluate yourself on a regular basis. Thank you.